Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are one. Let us discuss about the key answers of second language English, which was held on 14/6/2023. Regular repeaters. First main, choose the correct answer. Read the key one conversation and choose the language function for the underlined sentence. A. Advice. B. Giving direction. C. Order. D. Suggestion. So the answer is B. Giving directions. Second one, choose the appropriate question tag and fill in the blanks. Kiran likes coffee. A. Don't he? Wasn't he? Doesn't he? Does he? So the answer is C. Doesn't he? Third one, read the given conversation and fill in the blanks, choosing the most appropriate words. Option A, will have. Option B, would have. Option C, will not have. Option D, would have. So the answer is D, would have. Fourth one, read the following conversation and choose the infinite. So the answer is A, to buy. Second one, do as directed. Fifth one, which one of the following word has one syllable? Open, idea, speech, design. So the answer is design. Sixth one, combine the word in column A with the collective word in column B. Rapid. So the options are age, growth, life, fast. So the answer is rapid growth. Seventh one, fill in the blanks using the correct article. Dash, sun gives the heat and light. So the answer is, the article is the sun gives us heat and light. Eighth one, fill in the blanks using suitable linkers. Ajay was selected to take part in the car race. He gladly went to the place dash the race was to take place. So the answer is where the race was to take place. Ninth one, fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. The new teacher was happy dash her students. So the preposition is with. The new teacher was happy with her students. Ninth one, fill in the blanks with appropriate tense, form of the verb given in the brackets. Chandrasekhar bowling arms dash B plus affected by polio. Yet he was great bowler. So the answer is B is converted for being. Affect is converted for affected. So the answer is being affected. 11th one, identify the parts of speech of the underlined word. Rajappa waters his garden daily. So the underlined word is daily. So the answer is adjective. 12th one, write the correct forms of the word given in the bracket. We should not take, decide, affecting others. So the answer is decision. V3 form is decision. 13th one, use the word award as a verb in a meaningful sentence. So the answer is, the judge will award a prize. Award is used as verb in the sentence. Fourth question, change into passive voice. Thomson discovered the electrons. So the answer is, the electrons has been discovered by Thomson. 16th one, read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into reported speech. Raju, I am very busy now. So the answer is, Raju said that he was very busy then. Third main, the following paragraph has two errors. Edit the paragraph and rewrite in the answer book. 17th question, once a poor woman was walking from one village to another, carry a bundle of her hand, unable to lift it easily. She rested very now and then. That's all. The clues are A, noun number to be corrected, and the B, verbal mistake to be corrected. So the answer is A, upon a time. Upon a time need to be added starting to the line. Once upon a time a poor woman. And B, verbal mistake to be corrected. Carry spelling is wrong. So the answer is carrying. C-A-R-R-I-N-G. Men answer the following questions in 2-3 sentences each. 18th question, what features of Don Anselmo property attacked the American to buy? Don Anselmo's land was beautiful and fertile, though it was badly maintained. There was a lot of trees in the orchard filled with fruits. The Americans wanted to buy Don Anselmo's land so that they would settle there and lead a happy and concerned life. Next, 19th question, what great qualities of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar made Nehru to choose him the first Law Minister of India? Ambedkar's works were exhibited almost all parts of the world and displayed in the prestigious museum like the Museum of Modern Art, Newark, the Collections and National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. So he became popular all over the world. 20th question, how did Smita unable to fulfill Anant's last wish? There was a concert by him and Anant was longing to hear him. Smita felt bad and that her brother couldn't hear his concert. Hence she went to the concert and requested Pandit Ravi Shankar for the same. 22nd question, why does the speaker in the poem After Outer Space Tomorrow Morning feel that he would be imprisoned in the space? So the answer is, when the speaker goes away into the space in his spaceship, nobody can visit him and he cannot go out too. So it would be like living in a solitary confinement in the jail. Hence he feels imprisoned. Next, 23rd question. How did Patil, the sub-inspector, help Mohan's family? A sub-inspector in the British police, but a good friend, Mohan's father helps the family by warning them about the search that it is going to take place. He also helps them to hide the machine and saves the entire family from British police. Next, 24th question. Hanifuddin was a young man with very talented and interest. Illustrates this statement. The life for Hanif was always ekdam bindas. He stretched very well, made beautiful cards out of waste materials, read books and loved to play drums. As a young man, he was so talented and had an interesting life. Next, 25th question. How did Satish Gujral become popular all over the world? Satish Gujral has made his name painting, sculpture and architecture. His works were exhibited almost all parts of the world and displayed in the prestigious museums like the Museum of Modern Art, New York, the Historia Collections and National Gallery of Modern Art in New Delhi. 26th question. The jazz player proved that he was highly skilled in the music. Justify. Sixth man, read the following extract and answer the question that follows. 27. How could a boy fight a tiger? Option A. Who asked this question? When did the speaker ask this? Who else according to the speaker could fight a tiger? So the answer is, who asked this question? Swami asked this question. When did the speaker ask this? While his father was reading newspaper. Who else according to the speaker could fight a tiger? Swami was according to the speaker could fight a tiger. 28th question. I am new to Mumbai, but I have noticed that people here are afraid. Who made this statement? When did the speaker notice this? According to the speaker, why were the Mumbai's people were afraid? Who made this statement? Baleswar made this statement. When did the speaker notice this? While he was taken to the hospital. According to the speaker, why were the Mumbai people afraid? Because they were afraid of police. 10th man, quiet for memory. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself, and earthly power doth then show like its gods when mercy seasons justice. This poem is written by William Shakespeare. Quality of mercy. 12th man, answer the following questions in about 8 to 10 sentences. Summarize the poem Grandma Claims a Tree in your own words. Thank you for watching this video and do subscribe for our channel We Are One, and all the very best for upcoming exams.